Hey guys, so I know we haven't uploaded recently, so I wanted to make a trick tutorial. This move I have made myself. I looked on the internet and I couldn't find anyone that has already made this, so I'd like to declare I've made my own trick. I call it the Holy Cross, and you'll see why. So, you want to start off with your knife held by the safe handle. You want to go across, back in, so that it's like this, up, down, into the hand. And if you do it really fast, hang on, let me show you. Actually, let me better angle. If you do it fast, it should look like a holy cross. So yeah. Also, excuse the crappy video quality. Just flashed my bed for the sake of getting a good angle. Yeah, I'm gonna run you guys through it one more time. Also, it can be used as a closing. You swipe across, up, down, into the hand. So again, why didn't I think of this? You just across, up, down, in. Cross, up, down, in. And again, same for the closing. Cross, up, down, in. And that's really all there is to it. But for the sake of putting more time into the video, I'd like to talk about why we're not uploading. We have not been in touch much. My buddy has been very busy and hasn't replied to many texts recently. So, communication has been complicated. He's, like I said, he's been super busy. And I've been having home issues, which I might explain once they have been resolved. Like literally issues with the house. So, sorry, excuse me for just giving you my hand. So me and my buddy, we've been just super busy, booked, no time to make videos in free time. So I'm recording this at 9:30 p.m. I just wanted to make sure the channel doesn't completely die and we actually have a chance to not die and become we're still not relevant, but whatever. Still a very small channel, but I don't want to disappoint those of you that are viewing. And don't want this channel to fail, because me and my friend, we've I was gonna say worked long and hard for this, but you know, got like 5 videos up. I don't even remember. Crap, it's been so long. But I'm gonna try to upload maybe some things that aren't even about knives, just weekly vlogs and crap, just random stuff. I mean, I'm gonna try to get him to, you know, get a personal video like this. But yeah, like I said, we've just been super booked, super busy, and just not all that much time to make videos. So I'm sorry, and thank you. Peace out, guys. Much job. Night.